Ladies and gentlemen, you are most welcome again. On this video, we are going to be looking on how we can filter records in Microsoft Excel 2016. So to start with, I have my spreadsheet open, as you can see here. So when you want to filter any records in Microsoft Excel, what you're going to do, you have to first of all analyze and see where is the headers of your Excel sheet. So you look at the data you have in and the worksheet that is open, then go ahead and locate the headers. So after locating, you can say I have the header, I have date, hours worked, time in, time out, subject talk, and then topic covered. So go ahead and select the row where the headers are. So after that, after selecting that row, then you go and look in the ribbon of tabs. I want you to select data as one of the tab in the ribbon. After selecting data, look in the group of the ribbons down in the group of the tools, and you see one of the group called sort and filter. I want you to select the filter option, or you can use the keyboard shortcut of Control plus Shift plus arrow. So from here, click on filter. When you click on filter, you realize that on each header in this worksheet, you see a drop down menu. So when you click on any of this drop down menu, like when I click on date, I'll be able to see like a list of options whereby down here you see date filters. So you can filter by first of all searching each and everything within this date. You can also see like the list of all the dates, and you can filter by selecting or unselecting one of these. You can also filter dates according to a certain condition. Like you can filter dates which is equal to before, after, between, tomorrow, today, yesterday, next week, this week, and so on. All about when you go to hours worked, you can also see we have a drop down menu. Click on that, then you'll be able to see under the search box, you see things like select all. When you untick that, you realize that all the what all the this hours are not selected. If you want to select one of them, you can just check on that. Then when you hit on OK, you realize now it is only that uh, hours that were selected under row 21. So you can see from row 1 up to row 21, the rest of the rows, which is 2, 3, 4 up to 20, they are nowhere to be seen because I've filtered only what I want. So you can go ahead and see filter back. Like you can choose maybe like 5 items out of this, and then go ahead and press OK. Now you can see 5 items have been selected. That is 1, 4, 14, 20, and the 21, 22. So the rest of the items are nowhere to be seen because this is the display only shows what I've selected or what I've filtered out of the menu. So I can go ahead and select all the items. After that, press OK, and all the items will appear on the screen. When I come to time in, of course, you can see still I have all the time. I can select two only, and then you can see I have only two items selected. I can go ahead and select again all of them and bring them back. When I come to subject talk, I can see all the subjects that were taught. So, for example, if I want to search one of the subjects, say biology, I can go ahead and type biology, and then go to search. Now you can see all the subjects or all the only items that have the word or the subject biology will appear on the screen. So the other thing we can do as far as filtering is concerned is that we can also do, I say we can search, then we can do a filter with a certain condition, like we can say filter equals to anything equals to, then maybe anything which is equal to applied mathematics, biology, chemistry. So for example, if I want chemistry, and then I can go ahead and filter, and then I'll be able to see chemistry subject only. I can also go ahead and filter something which is equal to biology, something called biology. I filter, and then I'll be able to see biology only. I can go ahead and also filter a subject called say applied mathematics. Applied mathematics. Then I'll see applied mathematics will appear on my worksheet screen. I can also filter something by filter uh, maybe something that begins with geography, then you can see. So generally, that's how we can do filtering of records in Microsoft Excel 2016. And this is very important because it helps you to really get what you want out of a list of the many, and it also helps you to analyze and organize your data in spreadsheet tables and make things easy for you. Otherwise, thank you for paying attention to this video. I know it has been so helpful. And in case of any question, please feel free to send us a message, or can share, submit a comment in the box below. And go ahead and subscribe to our channel, TrebiTalks.com, and we're here for you. So in the next video, we shall go ahead and look at on how we can do sorting, because we see sorting is one of the tool under the group sort and filter. So when we come back, we shall be looking at how we can sort data within Microsoft Excel. Thank you. Let's catch up in the next video.